Hello everyone, this is Veikko from Fastems. Today I will briefly introduce you to Fastems and our use case, the virtualization of a robot cell with a real controller, the required prerequisites for our next lecture, and finally we will conclude the presentation with a summary and a look at the next steps. Fastems delivers intelligent factory automation solutions around cutting machine tools and related processes. We are a family-owned business with 40 years of automation experience, over 4,000 installations, and main markets in Europe, North America, and Asia. Our mission is to help metalworking manufacturers improve their productivity and profitability. Our main application fields are pallet and robotic automation, always equipped with our industry-leading production planning and execution software, MMS. We also have solutions for automating the production and resource planning of standalone machine tools. We continue to support our systems with a wide range of services. The virtualization of a robot cell with a real controller enables the control of simulated hardware with our MMS control. This means that you can, for example, test new production operations and train employees virtually without disturbing actual production. Training can also be started well before actual system delivery. The simulated hardware in this use case is represented in a real-time 3D environment, which can also be combined with virtual reality. I will now show you a brief video that summarizes the use case. There are no requirements for the next lectures and everyone is free to join. However, to get the most out of these lectures, it might be useful to already be somewhat familiar with modern automation and production systems. This makes it easier to understand the main principles of our use case. Finally, we will conclude this presentation by summarizing the key points. Fastems is a family-owned business that delivers intelligent factory automation solutions. Our main application fields are pallet and robotic automation. Our industry-leading manufacturing management software helps our customers to produce only the right things at the right time, all the time. Our use case, the virtualization of a robot cell with a real controller, improves the agility of a manufacturing cell by providing a way to simulate production activities without disturbing ongoing production. It can be used to train employees, test new production operations, and virtual commissioning. This can be done before, during, and after system delivery. For our next lecture, there are no specific requirements, and we encourage everyone to join. However, a basic understanding of modern manufacturing systems and automation might be useful to get the most out of it. Thank you for joining us today. We hope to see you at the next lecture where we will be taking a closer look at our use case.